this. It's like, dude, I want to just go around. I don't want to be in this cluster. Oh, do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that exhaust from back here, man. That thing is nasty. Finally going to replace my tire. Man, this one got kind of bad. I am not proud of myself. Dangerous riding around with a bad tire, especially in the front, which is exactly what I have. It was cupping. Didn't notice it right away. I felt it pause before I noticed it on the tire itself. Felt something was off. Looked at the tire, seemed normal. And eventually I started noticing the cupping. And I don't know if this is just in my head, because I know the tire is not right, or if this is what the cupping does, but I notice a little resistance when I try to steer, and sometimes I feel the bike pulling me in directions that I do not want to go. By the way, guys, the way I'm riding right now, don't do this with a bad tire. I keep forgetting. If you notice, I keep catching myself and slowing down and taking it easy, and then I forget and I get on it like everything's normal. You know you got a bad tire, take it easy. Today we're going to Competition Cycle Center, a place that I've been going to for years. A friend of mine, Ink Road J, check out his page, he told me the place used to be so much better that he wouldn't even go there anymore. But that was before my time down here. Apparently, the store was much bigger. They had a much bigger selection. Apparently the prices were better. Salesmen were more helpful, and I don't have a problem with them right now. Well, last time I was there, a lot of things changed after the pandemic. Service is horrible wherever you go. Plan on making a video about that pretty soon, but I'm hoping this place is still good. I think I've been there. Yeah, actually I have been there since the pandemic, and everything worked out. Hopefully today will be the same. I was going to let the dealership put the tire on. Some of you may know I just got the R1 back. It was at the dealership having a repair done under warranty. About 3 weeks, maybe more. I know it was before Christmas I dropped it off. Actually, yeah, that's definitely more than 3 weeks. Because it was before, it was maybe a week before Christmas I dropped it off. And I just got it back 2 days ago. And I got a video out about that nightmare too. The only thing I'll mention here is it was burning oil. They had to replace the seal. In order to replace the seal, they needed to drain my oil. They wanted to charge me $50 labor plus the oil to replace it. They said the warranty doesn't cover the oil. I have my theory on why that happened. That'll be in the full video. But now as far as the tire is concerned, I can't remember what the exact breakdown was, but for a full oil change and then 2 tires, they wanted $1,300 and something dollars. That's crazy. Considering I could change the oil myself for about 70 bucks and get both tires installed and everything without taking my rims off the bike at Competition Cycle for about 500. So we're talking 600 bucks altogether or less, as opposed to the 13 that the dealer wanted to make me for. I would have been willing to pay a little bit more, but more than double, that is nuts. And I didn't need both tires. They were just recommending both tires. I need the front. I'm hoping these people are not mad at me for being late. I'm gonna give my appointment away to somebody else. But remember, that front tire is no good. So I can't exactly be cooking. Oh wow. That is crazy. Why can't I get into neutral? So my friend has that same truck. It's in a lot better shape, but he has the same truck and some of the same stickers. I couldn't believe that. I'm like, I would have thought it was him if the truck wasn't all beat up. Drives like an asshole. Yeah, I definitely would have thought it was him. The truck wasn't all beat up. Oh, great. Through, man. Stuck in the rain last time I rode. I didn't get a chance to clean it yet. I wanted to do it this morning before I left, but I was running late for my appointment. And over here, that's $1,000 ticket on a motorcycle if your plate is dirty, because people do it on purpose. But mine's not on purpose, so that would absolutely suck. Here we are, Competition Cycle Center. Thank you, sir. There we go. About 10 minutes later. I hope I didn't lose my slot. Sorry. Fresh new tire. Gotta be careful on those new tires. 100 miles before they're ready to go. Oh, he might help me out a little bit. Thank God they won't start the bike without the key. There we go. By the way, I didn't cut that. I have a keyless ignition, but obviously it won't flip on without the fob. So I left it on run, brought the fob closed. So by the time I got to the bike, the dash was already lit up. Hey man, these guys always do the right thing by me, unlike the dealership, which is sad, because you would expect the dealership to be the place to go to get everything done right. What are you gonna do? At least I got these people. So I walked out of there paying for the tire installation, which was a headache because the bolts are rusted on and the guy had trouble getting them off. Also, I had to put on an oil filter because, like I said, the dealership screwed me. Gave me the bike back with no oil in it. Put my own oil, but I wasn't going to sit there swapping out the filter on site at 6:30 at night after work when I had my friend drive me there to pick the bike up. So I just put the oil in, drove it home, and had them put a filter on it for me. They charged me $10 for the filter, $25 to put it on. Dealership probably would have wanted $150 for that. So I paid all together with tax, the convenience fee for using my card, even though it was a debit card. Most places only charge you 3% when you use a credit card. I used a debit card and they charged me for it, but it is what it is. All together was $310. And they did it right. That sucks. I hate when I get on the entrance ramp and there's a car in front of me, because that's the only time that I ever really feel comfortable giving it a pull. Pause. And right about now is when I would have been letting off. So this way. That is crazy. Dude, man. Fucking idiots. Pardon my language. But how do you just... Never mind. Saw what he did. I don't know how to describe it. I wish I would have had my 360 camera going. Do I? Nah, that would have been nice. I hate when they do this. It's like, dude, I want to just go around. I don't want to be in this cluster. It's not because I'm in a rush. It's that you got 1, 2, 3 cars all right next to each other in this cluster. Obviously increases the chances of a collision. Up there, there's nobody. So I would feel a lot more safe in that pocket up ahead than I do back here right now. But I can't get around these people without doing something that's just as dangerous as sitting behind them. It's like, I'll never understand these idiots in cars, why it is that they like being so close to each other. It's like, you know that car accidents are a thing. You know that they're dangerous. You would think they know that there has to be another car in order for you to have an accident. Oh, buddy, it's moving. That is nice. I don't know if you can hear that exhaust from back here, man. That thing is nasty. I gotta take it easy because I got that new tire, but keep up with them. People that spend $100,000 plus on a car, they must get sick when a $20,000 bike does that to them. Oh, it feels so good to have the all one bag. feels good to have a tire that's right. I mean, I automatically feel the difference. I know it wasn't my mind now. It had to be the cupping that was making my tire act like that. And it feels so good for it to be back to normal. I really hope my bag is closed, man. I hate checking to see if my bag is closed like that. Because my wedding ring is a little bit loose. I keep meaning to go get it fixed, but I still haven't gotten around to it. And I gotta hold it back with my thumb, make sure it doesn't slide off. Where's that Mercedes, man? He must have got off an exit or something because he was cooking. And I've been taking it easy ever since I passed him. And I haven't seen him, so. Competition Cycle Center in Dania Beach on Old Griffin Road. That's definitely the move as far as small shops are concerned. Like I said, I heard they used to be a lot better as far as the selection is concerned, but they really know how to treat people. They do a good job on the bike. Never ever had a problem with them. Other places, specifically the dealer, I've never not had a problem. It's to the point the dealer is sick of me. They're sick of hearing me. They're sick of my phone calls. They're sick of my complaining. And they think that I just wake up in the morning looking for something to bitch about. But it's that I take very good care of my bike, but they don't. That's the problem. This place, they treat my bike better than I do. Which is hard to do.
Ay, Douglas Antonio,